Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best table saw for beginners you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best table saw for beginners in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Bosch 4100 XC Worksite Table Saw. The Bosch 4100 XC 10-inch Worksite table saw with gravity rise wheeled stand delivers both professional rip capacity and outstanding portability for a tool that can get the job done, wherever it is. The powerful 15-amp saw delivers 4.0 max HP for outstanding productivity. It also incorporates soft start circuitry for smooth but quick ramp up to the operating speed. It includes constant response circuitry to help maintain speed under load, restart protection to avoid accidental startup and overload protection. The square lock rip fence is engineered for maximum trueness and great ease of use. It includes an enhanced auxiliary fence for narrow workpieces. The lighter GTA47W gravity rise wheeled stand has 8-inch treaded rubber composite tires and a single action design for easy setup and transport. It is job site ready with heavy duty construction. Provides increased workspace and material support with a 30-inch ripping capacity. Manages intensity of motor startup and minimizes the likelihood possibility of tripping a circuit breaker. Iving knife and anti-kickback pawls provide protection, while the guard assembly provides a barrier to help prevent blade contact while allowing an unobstructed view of the cut. For details, let's watch more. Our second best table saw for beginners is DeWalt DWE7491RS Table Saw. The DeWalt DWE7491RS 10-inch job site table saw with 32.5-inch rip capacity and a rolling stand features a rack and pinion fence system which makes fence adjustments fast, smooth and accurate. The 32.5-inch rip capacity easily cuts a variety of larger shelving and trim materials. The patented material support allows this to be used for narrow rip cuts. This unit features a 15-amp motor which quickly rips through hardwoods with ease. The telescoping fence rails easily extend and retract to create a small portable package and the flip-over ripping fence allows for narrow rip cuts. This saw offers 3 1/8-inch depth of cut at 90 degrees and 2 1/4-inch at 45 degrees. A 2-inch dust collection port easily connects to a vacuum for efficient dust extraction to keep cleanup at a minimum. The rolling stand is designed for easy setup and breakdown with excellent stability, and features large heavy-duty wheels that easily roll over steps, curbs, and job site debris. The 26 1/4-inch x 22-inch table provides superior material support. This unit features an onboard storage system which provides easy access to the Site Pro guard components and push stick when not in use. Third pick in our list is Rockwell RK7323X2 Portable Tabletop Saw. The Rockwell Blade Runner X2 portable tabletop saw is the solution to the problem of having to take materials back to the workshop to cut them, and then bring them back to the job site later on. If you're a contractor, you know that process can add an entire day to a project. The Blade Runner is only 15 pounds, so while stable and sturdy, it's easy to toss in the back of the truck. And with a footprint of only 15.75 by 17-inch, it doesn't take up an entire workbench like traditional table saws. The hold-down guard and splitter allow for work with wider materials, and a larger rip fence than other portable table saws provides better control and accurate cuts. A no-load speed of 3,000 per minute, a stroke length of 3/4 inch, with 5.5 amps of power gives it the capacity for light to moderate cutting of wood up to 1.5 inch, ceramic tile 3/8 inch, PVC pipe 1 1/4 inch, aluminum 3/8 inch, and steel 1/8 inch. Anything over 1.5 inch and you're probably going to need a traditional, permanently fixed tabletop saw, but you can't take that to the job site. The blades change out almost instantly, in under 3 seconds once you get the hang of the tool-less blade change system. And the saw is protected by a Rockwell 3-year limited warranty, so you know they stand behind their tools. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our side is DeWalt DWE7485 table saw. Maximized for accuracy and capacity, this DeWalt DWE7485 8¼ inch table saw includes onboard storage for blade guard assembly, non-through cut riving knife, anti-kickback pawls, blade change wrenches, miter gauge and push stick. The powerful DeWalt 15-amp, 5,800 RPM motor allows users to complete a majority of applications. The rack and pinion fence allow for fast, easy adjustments and provides the capacity to rip 4x8 sheet goods. Compact size for ease of transportation and storage. Rack and pinion telescoping fence rails make fence adjustments fast, smooth and accurate. 24.5 inches of rip capacity for ripping 4x8 plywood or OSB sheets. Onboard storage provides easy access to the site pro guarding components and push stick when not in use. Metal roll cage ensures job site durability. Last in our best table saw for beginners list is Skill SPT99T portable table saw. The 8¼ inch portable worm drive table saw delivers our legendary worm drive power in a light, portable design. Created for job site productivity, this compact powerhouse features a 2 5/8 inch depth of cut and 25 inch rip capacity to tear through sheet goods and slice up to 3x. Durable, all metal construction stands up to job site abuse. The rack and pinion system makes fast, smooth fence adjustments for precise cuts. Our patented dual field motor stays cooler, so it can work harder, longer. The rack and pinion system makes fast, smooth fence adjustments for precise cuts. Legendary worm drive gearing offers maximum torque for ripping applications. Precision rack and pinion system makes fence adjustments quickly and smoothly for accurate cuts. Lightweight and compact footprint make it easy to move around the job site.